Hi, I'm Janet Brown, and today's lesson is a science lesson. Today we're asking the question, what is stronger, an egg shell or an egg membrane? Here I have a regular egg with the shell on it. Here I have a naked egg. This egg has no shell on it, just the membrane to protect it. And the way you get this naked egg is you soak it in vinegar overnight and then you gently rub away the eggshell. My class today is Riley. Riley, what do you notice about the egg and the naked egg?
One of them seems a little bit bigger
Okay.
than the other.
I think that's because some of the vinegar actually gets in the egg. Some of it goes through the membrane and gets into the egg. That's a great observation. What about the color?
Well, one's yellow.
This one's yellow. Why do you think this one's yellow?
Because usually the inside of the egg or the yolk is yellow.
Okay, so now what I want you to do is I want you to make a prediction. We're gonna drop these eggs and I want you to predict when you think the egg will crack and when you think the membrane will break. How many inches high do you think they're gonna need to be? Go ahead and write down your prediction. What do you think? Which one's gonna be stronger? Which one's gonna go higher? We're gonna see when this cracks and when this breaks. All right, we are gonna start with our regular egg. All right, Riley, why don't you hold that right about 1 inch? Right, so it's about 1 inch and drop it. Did it break?
No.
No. All right, let's go for 2 inches.
There's a crack.
There's a crack. Wait. That's 2 inches. And we already have a crack. Go ahead and go 3. Let's see what happens with 3. Oh, more cracking.
Yep.
Oh, and what do you notice? Did you hear it snap down there?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to try 4? It's already broken. Oh, okay, yeeks.
Yolk is falling out.
All right, so we started to see cracking at 2 inches, and then we see a lot of cracking at 4 inches. Okay, what do you think about the membrane? Do you want to change your prediction at all, now that you know that this cracks at 2 inches?
No, I think my prediction is good.
Okay, all right, let's see. Okay, ready? 1 inch. Okay. 2 inches. Oh, what do you notice about this though? It's not.
bouncier.
It's bouncier, huh? Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, how weird. All right, so we got to 2 inches. Now 3 inches. Oh my gosh. No, 4 inches. Oh. 5 inches. 6 inches. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. I wonder.
7 inches. 8 inches? No, 9 inches? You think it's gonna go? Oh my goodness, 10 inches? Oh my gosh, and look at how bouncy it is.
Wow.
Okay, 11 inches?
Oh, God.
Okay, 12 inches? Ah, right at the top. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Do we go up to 13 inches?
I guess.
Okay, so here's where the ruler was. Let's go 13 inches. Oh! There it goes. And look, after this cracks, you can see, here's the membrane.
It's like a skin.
Yeah, it's like a skin. Do you want to touch it? Yeah. Oh my gosh. So that's what was protecting that egg. So what did you notice? When this started to crack, it didn't explode like this. Why do you think that is?
Because the membrane is it's more of a bouncy and skin-like texture.
Yeah. So this egg actually had double protection, right? Because it had the eggshell and the membrane. So this egg was doubly protected because it had the shell and the membrane. So it didn't explode like that one, right?
Yours is fun.
Today we have found that an egg membrane is stronger than an eggshell. So obviously in a regular or virtual classroom, things would have been different than just with my one student, Riley. This experiment is so much fun. We would have made the naked eggs together in the classroom and watched that whole process of the eggshell disintegrating. Also, when we made our predictions, we would have talked about them and why we thought that, and we would have probably had a class vote on which we thought would break first, the shell or the membrane. And then of course the prediction at what height it would be. I would let the kids take turns coming up and dropping those eggs to see when they would crack, and that's always an exciting thing. And then of course we would replicate the results. In a virtual classroom, when I did this, a couple of kids did the experiment and they got about the same results, but it was fun for them to do it themselves. So thank you for the opportunity to show you this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm Janet Brown, and hopefully we'll be hearing from you soon.